Hey everybody, this is Nicholas. I'm hoping you guys are like myself. Glad to have started part two of field placement to go ahead and get this thing out the way so we can move on with our program. But just kind of give you guys a reminder where I'm at. I am still at a residential facility working with the youth ranging from ages 7 to 17. Most of the kids are there because of conduct disorder, or they've been placed in children's services custody, and children's services have placed them there for treatment as well. Uh, and some of the kids that are there also have mental health disorders, and they're receiving treatment for that too. One thing that I really enjoy about my field experience, um, being able to work with the kids, and having an opportunity to apply what we've learned in class, and some of our previous classes, as far as theory, being able to use it hands on. I'm really enjoying that part. A challenge that I face in field experience, um, knowing the fact that every kid that you work with, you won't be successful. I think that's been a big challenge for me, having to kind of swallow that pill and uh, and see the reality that every kid uh, won't be successful through the program. One thing that I've learned about myself through field experience, uh, this has really been a confidence builder for me. Really kind of stepping out of my box and working with people, utilizing communication skills, things that I've learned in school, and learning how to take constructive criticism in the areas that um, I'm not so good at. And so that's everything in a nutshell. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I look forward to working with everyone in the class, and let's get this thing out the way.